Enchanted Princess. Passenger laundry. 1, 2, 3 ironing boards. A sink here's up. And machines. Work off of tokens. All you do is put your medallion up against that. Choose what you want up here. The tokens come out. Buy your soap, your whatever bleach over here. Right now it's $3 to do wash machine, $3 for a dryer. You get a token like, we already used it because we're already done there. Anyway, tokens. And I believe there's one of these on each floor, and it runs out both sides, port side and starboard side. Thanks for watching.